Bonjour ma classe de pré-AP. Aujourd'hui, c'est mercredi le 26 septembre et je vais vous dire exactement ce que nous avons fait aujourd'hui. Ok, d'abord, nous avons fait l'échauffement. Alors voilà, l'échauffement pour mercredi le 26 septembre. C'était un matching. Il a fallu trouver le mot en anglais qui correspondait au mot en français. Alors, la chimie, ça correspond à chemistry. La biologie, ça correspond à biologie. Biology, je veux dire. Les langues, languages. Alors, on a fait ça et puis on a corrigé l'échauffement. We corrected it. OK. Après, nous avons fait une activité à l'écoute, listening. We did this together in class. We listened to each sentence and then we matched the picture to the number. We wrote the letter of the corresponding picture to the number after we listened to the listening activity. And so you can come in or during power hour if you would like, and we can do this in my room. So we did that. Then also okay, and then the next thing we did was I had them copy the last slide on les matières because I forgot to have them copy the last slide yesterday. So it was this one. Quel est ton cours préféré? What's your favorite class? Mon cours préféré est, and then the favorite class. Parce qu'il est, because it is, and then the adjective. And if you remember, if you go back through your flashcards and your notes and through this PowerPoint even, you will see the different adjectives that you can use to talk about why it's your favorite class. Qui est ton professeur préféré? Who's your favorite teacher? Mon professeur préféré est, and then monsieur ou madame, if it's a man, of course it's monsieur, if it's a woman, madame. The name, parce qu'il ou elle, est, and then another adjective to describe why you like this teacher that you chose. So, we copied these back onto page 29, along with questions 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that's what we did. We finished copying our notes. Then we did our avoir practice. I gave everybody the avoir practice 1, and they filled in the blanks with the correct forms of avoir to review, and they turned this in at the end of the period. And the last thing we did was I assigned workbook pages, pages 53 and 54 in our level 1 workbooks from last year. Now, if you were not in with me last year, then you don't have a workbook, and I'm going to have to give you one. But if you do still have your workbook, then pages 53 and 54, exercises 22A and 23B. And we're going to go over that tomorrow when you come in. That is it. Au revoir, bon après-midi.